And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way.
Regrets, he had a few, but then again, too few to mention. And he did what he had to do. He saw it through without exemption, and he planned each charted course, each careful step along life's byway, and more, much more than this. He did it his way.
I've laughed and cried, I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that.
And may I say, not in a shy way,
oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got?
If not himself, then he has not
to say the things he truly feels,
and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows
I took the blows and did it my way. Yes, it was my